Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Charge the WH C700N to at least 50% because low battery can block pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or device and leave the Bluetooth screen open. This speeds discovery. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds to force pairing mode. Listen for a voice prompt or flashing blue/amber LED. You do this so the headphones broadcast their ID. Once visible, your device can detect and list them for connection. On your phone, tap the listed WH C700N entry. You should see a connecting status. If a pairing code appears, confirm the default 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern devices skip this. Make sure to permit microphone and media audio access. Otherwise, you may get no sound or lost call audio. Once connected, the app or device will show connected for audio. This ensures music and calls route correctly. If you plan to use multi-point, pair each device. Finish by testing playback and making a quick call to verify microphone and controls. If you see no audio or pairing fails, reset the headphones. Power off, then press and hold power and NC buttons together for 7-10 seconds to clear memory, then retry pairing. Also, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to check firmware and settings. Updating can fix bugs. If problems persist, restart your phone, forget the device, and pair again, because cached profiles often cause conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.